Hi, this is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management, and today I want to talk to you about which rental property is right for you. So, which rental property is right for you? I get this question a lot, and I see lots of investors on a daily basis. And when I look at the person, I often think of a few things. The first thing is, are you handy? If you're handy, you own a general contracting company, or you've just done a lot of handiwork before, buying a fixer-upper could be a really good investment. I don't see a fixer-upper making people a lot of money if they don't know how to do the task and if they're not bringing their own work to the properties. So if you are handy, I highly recommend, or if you're a general contractor, I highly recommend that you look at an older property or maybe something that you have to fix up. Now, on the other hand, if you're not handy or you don't have the time to oversee people, then I highly recommend that you get away from the older properties and you get maybe a newer property. That's going to save you a lot of time. And in the end, if you're not doing the repairs, it's not going to matter that much. The second thing is, are you a good manager? Are you looking at doing some of your own property manager, or are you going to have a property that's really management and people intense? If you have a property that's intense, i.e. a multifamily home or a home where you see there's a lot of turnover or you see a lot of different folks in there, I think in that case, you probably need to really have not be afraid of people and be ready to manage people, okay? Now, if you don't want anything to deal with people and you'd rather not do that, then I think you need to get more of obviously a residential home, okay? And the reason why you want to get a residential home is you might be able to find a residential home with low turnover in a nicer area of town where you're probably not going to have a lot of high turnover, okay? And that will make your life a lot easier. So those are two really important features to think about. The last thing that I'm going to challenge you to think about on which property to find is, what area of town do you live in? If you're in San Antonio, where we're based, San Antonio is a great area to buy properties, especially for property management. We've seen great appreciation. We have great tenants that last for a long time, and we're seeing a lot of great things in San Antonio. But I recommend that you buy in the neighborhood the area that you know. So if you live in San Antonio, I recommend buying in San Antonio. And the reason why is, if you buy in your area, you're going to see the areas of town that are doing well, the areas of town maybe that aren't doing well, and you'll have a good feeling on how, i.e. San Antonio is doing. If you do have a neighborhood that you like and you follow around it, maybe you drive in that area, that's a good area to buy into because you know the area really well. So real estate's often local. Get with the local people. If you have any questions about it, if you have any more questions, please just give me a call. Thank you.